Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus. For your general energies, career situation and relationship, we are picking few cards today. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may clear some doubts or may answer some questions you may have in your circumstances, Taurus. So you can stay tuned for that. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Six of Pentacles, Queen of Wands and Five of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are helping people today or you are taking help from people. It can be either way. You are depending on someone, maybe financially or depending on this person for some help, or someone is depending on you, and you are someone really confident, feeling a lot confident about the way things are going, and you are a very skilled and talented person, kind and helpful. So you may have people with you who appreciate you for what you are, because whatever circumstances you are seeing today, you are dedicated to your goals, to your dreams, and you are working really hard to manifest your goals and dreams. You are dedicated. So whatever choices you make, you stand by those choices and you are cheerful, confident. But in your situation today, it may be in this relationship or in your career, you are seeing trouble. So situation is not good. There may be some misunderstanding, arguments with this person you love. Circumstances are not as you expected. Maybe you are depending on this person financially, or you are in a difficult situation. You are using this person for something. Though you would have requested their help, you would have voiced out your troubles and you would have requested help from this person. This person is helping you, but still, because of your circumstances, they are treating you in a bad way, because you are depending on them and you are expecting them to support you and help you in whatever way possible, and that is working against you, against this love. They do not like the way you are. They do not like the way you are relying on this person for each and everything. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. It's 10 of Pentacles in reverse. So in this love, in this connection, there are certain things not going in that expected way. Maybe whatever is happening today, there may be some kind of misunderstanding with this person. Something is not working. You feel a little lost, or sad to be here, but you are unable to avoid. You are unable to avoid this person because without them you are unable to lead your life because of you depending on them completely. So you want to move away, but you are unable to because of your dependence. So that is the energy here with these cards for y'all today. So though it may be something negative, something not what to say, not good, these cards may speak of something very negative, but you need not lose heart. These are just cards, Taurus. So what you do of your life is in your hands entirely. So for your career situation, we will see what is the card. It's Six of Swords. So there is some change of workplace. Maybe you're taking up a new job or a new career path. Something good is happening in your work circumstances. So that is the energy with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes, choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, so now let's start the reading with the first card. I will keep this second card aside. So for those who chose this card, the Snow Queen, loyalty. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe you are missing someone, missing a friend, or it may be the person you love. You both have been very close and you are missing the friendship you had, the time you spent with each other. And today you feel that this person has vanished from your life forever and they do not care for you at all, but it is only a temporary situation. This person is also definitely thinking of you and they are also coming towards you. Maybe they have left you for some reason, maybe some obsession they had or some troubles in their life. So it was some inevitable circumstances that pulled them away from you, but you are still thinking of them just like you. Even this person is still thinking of you and you need to let this magic work in your life. So you need to wait, maybe send out your positive intentions, send out your friendly feelings of love and trust towards this person. And even this person is waiting for the right opportunity to come and meet you, and they are definitely coming, and maybe not today but very soon. So that is the energy here with this card, and that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let us see what is the second card for those who chose this second card, to the sea. So with this card in your relationship, it just means that you need to trust the way circumstances are unfolding, maybe the natural pattern of events in your life. There are points in a relationship where you where you have to see where things are flowing, what is the direction. Not always you need to dictate what should happen or what should be the next step or what will be the future. So today you just need to let go of all that anxiety or stress or that interest to steer your relationship towards your goals or your expectations. Instead of all that, you just have to wait and see where your mutual goals and desires steer this ship of this relationship. When you do that, you are going to see where the mutual journey leads this connection, and you need to allow trust and faith to be your guide today in this connection. So that is the energy here. So whatever is bound to happen will unfold in a beautiful way if you just trust in your circumstances, the natural flow of events. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. So that is the reading with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.